Hi everyone, this is a WesNest training video, and today I'm going to show you how to submit a purchase request. When you log in, you will want to search for your student group in the search menu. This can be done by typing your student group number or the name of your student group. Once you find your student group, click on it and select on the Manage Organization page. Once you click here, you'll be directed to your student group's homepage. If you click on Finance, you'll be directed to the Purchase Requests homepage. Here you can see any pending purchase requests or submit a new purchase request. To submit a new purchase request, you'll want to click on the Create New Request blue button on the upper right-hand corner. Once you're here, you'll need to fill out a few details, such as what you want to request and how much it costs. You'll then select a category and an account from which the money will be pulled from. This way we know where to charge. In the Pay Information section, you'll need to put in the vendor information or business from which you'll be making a purchase. This includes a contact person as well as address. The Additional Information section has important information to complete your request. You'll need to make a separate appointment. This will take you to the WSA Acuity Scheduling page, where you can select an appointment time. Once you click an appointment time, select Continue, and fill out the remainder of the calendar request information. You should receive an email confirming that your credit card appointment has been scheduled. You must continue with the purchase request form for your purchase request to be finalized and approved. Once you've made your appointment, you'll want to go back to WesNest and type in the date that you selected to schedule your credit card appointment. You'll want to re-enter the vendor name of the business you'll be purchasing from, as well as any links to purchase items or pay for tickets. If you have any additional files that would be helpful in purchasing your items, please upload it here. Once you're done, you will click Submit Request. Your purchase request will be reviewed in a few days. If we have any problems, we will contact you and you will be asked to complete the purchase request form again.